Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing and tasty fried spice chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you'll need some chicken. I'm going to use some thighs and chicken wings 1 kg. Slightly cut them so that the spices can blend in well. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes optional if you don't like chili, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, 1 squeezed lemon of lime, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. You'll also need some oil about 4 tablespoons, and lastly you're going to need 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt. In a bowl which has the chicken, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Then pour some lime juice or lemon juice to add an extra amazing taste to the chicken. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Then sprinkle some salt to taste. Add paprika powder 1 tablespoon, oregano leaves 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes optional if you don't like chili, black pepper 1 teaspoon, and lastly add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and mix everything well. Continue mixing the chicken and the spices very well so that the spices can blend in well. Then take a plastic bag and put the chicken and put in the fridge to let it marinate for a day. After marination, pour some oil in a pan or a pot and let the oil heat up before frying the chicken. Once the oil is slightly hot, dip in the chicken slowly and deep fry them in a medium heat so that the chicken can cook in well. Do not overload the chicken in the pan so that the chicken can have enough space to cook well, and let the chicken continue cooking. Shuffle the chicken around so that it can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. And once your chicken are well cooked and they have a nice golden brown color like this, then your chickens are ready. Remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And my fried spice chicken is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with some salad and fries and enjoy your chicken. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of chicken, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.